Hello there, my name is Jamie Harthcock, and today I will be showing you cyclopentanamine C5H11N with a Snatoms kit. I'm going to explain a little bit about this molecule before I get into building it. Its molecular formula is C5H11N, meaning that it has 5 carbons, 11 hydrogens, and 1 nitrogen. It has 1 degree of unsaturation, and that is because of the cyclic ring right there. And it has 17 sigma bonds. I'll explain that. I'll show that again when I build it. All the carbons are sp3 hybridized because they are all sigma bonds. So we don't have any double bonds or triple bonds in there. We have 4 CH2 groups, 1 CH group. And I'll also explain more of that when I build it. The physical state at room temperature is a clear to yellow liquid. So that's cool. And here we have the Snatoms kit. The black represents carbon, the blue represents nitrogen, the white represents hydrogen, and these right here represent pi bonds, which we don't have, so we're not going to be using these on this molecule. So we're just going to get the carbons. Got 2 carbons right here. See, they snap together just like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more for 5. And then we're going to put our nitrogen up here. And then let's add the hydrogens, 2 hydrogens on the nitrogen. Then we're going to add the hydrogens on the carbons, just like so, if I don't drop it first. Just like that. And like so. Simple as that. And here we have it. And here we have our, like I said, our molecule. We have 17 sigma bonds and 0 pi bonds. So I will point out the sigma bonds real quick. So we have sigma bond between these 2 hydrogens and that nitrogen and that carbon. And then all these carbons are attached with sigma bonds. And then all of the hydrogens that are attached to these carbons are also sigma bonds as well. We have 4 methylene groups. 1 methine group right there, CH, methylenes are CH2s, and then the amine group, which is a nitrogen to NH2. The reason why this is called cyclopentanamine is because, see, it's a cyclo, so that's the cyclo part. It's shaped like a cyclo, it's shaped like a ring. And there are 5 carbons, which is the pent. And the amine group, the NH2 group up here, is the amine part of the IUPAC name. All of the carbons on here are sp3 hybridized because they're all sigma bonds. So that means they're sp3 hybridized. If we had double or triple bonds would be sp2 hybridized and triple bonds would be sp hybridized, but we do not, so they are all sp3 hybridized carbons. The molecular geometry of this molecule is planar because it is a ring, so therefore it will be planar. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned a lot.